So today we're going to show you how to check your oil properly. So the car has been driven into the shop, it's been sitting for 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to come out here underneath the hood and we're going to pull the dipstick out and we're going to take a look at the oil level. Now what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the oil line in the light to make sure that it's within the hash marks on the dipstick too. This one looks good. I'm also checking for how the oil looks. So when we pull it out, we're looking to see if it's dark brown, if it's black, what it smells like. It smells okay. So what we're smelling for is we're smelling for any gas that may be getting into the engine. We're also smelling to see if it smells burnt. And we're also checking the coloration for a caramel color. Anything other than caramel, maybe a darker black, darker brown, it looks okay within my hash marks. So this oil change is good.